Welcome to the demonstration of the standard edition of the Celigo NetSuite-BigCommerce Integration App, which automates business processes and synchronizes data between NetSuite and BigCommerce. The Celigo Integration App is a fully managed application containing pre-built integration flows around key e-commerce use cases. The standard edition contains flows for customers, sales orders, fulfillments, inventory levels, billing, and products. Let's look at one of these business processes in action in our BigCommerce e-commerce store. The most important use case is the automation of the order to fulfillment process between BigCommerce and NetSuite. Here, the shopper places an order. On a user-defined schedule, the BigCommerce orders are batch imported into NetSuite up to every 15 minutes. Take note of the order number, customer, and order totals. Now let's switch over to NetSuite to look at the new sales order. A sales order is now available in NetSuite with the correct order number, shipping, taxes, and customer details. The integration app automatically detects if the customer already exists in NetSuite, and if not, creates a new one. All the relevant product details like SKU, quantity, price, line level taxes, promotions, and more are posted to NetSuite. The next step in the process is to fulfill the sales order in NetSuite. So let's go ahead and click the Fulfill button. Here, the sales order is assigned the appropriate shipping method, package tracking numbers, and is marked shipped. Now let's switch over to BigCommerce to look at our original sales order. Once I refresh the page, you can see the order has been updated and the tracking numbers are now available to the shopper in BigCommerce. Now that we have seen the integration app in action, let's look at how easy it is to configure and customize the integration app. Every flow is configurable with advanced settings and can be fine-tuned to fit your business processes. For example, with the order-related flows, you can quickly set shipment mappings, payment method mappings, and configure which system should be the master for your sales tax calculations. The other part of the configuration is how you map data between the two systems. On the left side of the screen, you can see the fields already come pre-mapped for each and every flow. Let's add a new field mapping to see how quick and easy it is. Add a BigCommerce field on the left and then click on the corresponding field directly on the NetSuite sales order form, and it automatically populates the NetSuite field. What you see on the right is the NetSuite Mapping Assistant tool, which is unique to Celigo. Now let's take a look at how you can monitor the integration. On the Dashboard tab, you can see the status of all the flows. You can see which flows ran, at what time, how long the flow took to execute, and if any errors occurred. Errors can be rerun with a single click. From the Admin tab, you can set notifications to alert you in your inbox of any errors, use audit logs to monitor any changes to your integration, and invite unlimited number of employees to manage the integration. Additional pre-built integration flows are available in the premium edition of the integration app. Thank you for watching this demonstration. If you have any questions, please contact your account executive.